Howdy everybody, and welcome back to today's episode of Tchaikovsky's Guide to the Practical Study of Harmony. So today is actually going to be a very simple and very curt lesson, I guess, because all that we're going to be talking about is the idea of free voice leading. So what exactly is free voice leading? Well, we've been dealing with closed position, we've been dealing with open position, and now we're just going to be simply dealing with forming chords in a way that is casual, essentially. Instead of giving necessary rules, I might even call them, as we get today in functional harmony and voice leading with certain capacities for distances between voices, Tchaikovsky really just focuses on saying that there should be independence in all of the voice lines. He still is urging us, though, to consider the fact that there is definitely a delineation between the outer voices and the inner voices, and the most important delineation that is still very pertinent that he is trying to make is the fact that the inner voices now can be sustained in some capacity so long as they follow the harmonic rhythm of the piece. Otherwise, Tchaikovsky just gives us general guidelines for the usage of the soprano and the bass, which essentially is just saying that the bass can move consecutively down by steps because it'll follow scalular motion, and that there will often be leaps of fourths and fifths, i.e. circle of fourths, circle of fifths, however you want to look at that. And also the soprano will be probably moving in consecutive stepwise motion, whereas it won't leap too often, but when it does, it will never leap consecutively like the bass could. And when these leaps are occurring in the soprano and the bass, they're going in contrary motion. So there's no example for today, however, I'm going to put here the actual image that is used in the treatise so you can kind of get a better understanding of what he means by casual positioning, because you'll see obviously that there are some quite large distances between the notes. And besides that, that's really all there is for today, so I hope that you enjoy, and tomorrow we're going to be moving on to some more harmony exercises. So, peace.